knee pulse. Ha. Switch leg. Ha. Ha. Let me do 1 minute. Let me just split those. Yo, welcome back to FitHawk TV, and we're coming back at you with another at-home workout. And today we got something special for all levels of fitness. Today we are burning fat. You know what I mean? And this is a good workout for beginners, intermediate, and advanced. I'm gonna tell you how to do every part of it for the beginner's part and for the advanced part. We're gonna get straight into it. You don't need no equipment, but a mat would be helpful. Other than that, you know what I'm saying? Wait a minute. Make sure you hit that sub button. Leave me a comment if you like these videos. Let me know what you want to see, what you want to work out next, and I'll make a video about it. Now, let's get into this fat blasting. Okay, so like I said, this is a fat blasting workout for every level of experience. So we're all gonna get pumping like this. We're non-stop. Once we start, we don't stop, okay? So for beginners, I just want you to slow, just get your legs going. For advanced, I want you to go ahead and just pick it up. Just keep this pace the whole time, okay? So once you start, you don't stop. It's 4 exercises. So we do a minute of running in place, then we go into the exercise. Then we do a minute of running in place, then we go into the exercise, a minute of running in place, exercise. You get what I'm saying? So the first thing we're gonna do after this first minute of running is jumping jacks. For advanced, I want 25, intermediate, I want 20, and for beginners, I want 15. So 1, 2, 3, I want full jumping jacks, okay? I want the legs to be, none of this, none of that. I want the full thing, okay? 25, once you're done, right back here. 1 minute. Keep running, keep running. After 1 minute, you got knee pumps. For advanced, I want 20 each leg, intermediate 15 each leg, and beginners 10 each leg. So 1 minute's passed, knee pumps. See how I'm twisting? Okay. Legs coming back and up. 20 this leg, you're gonna switch legs. 20 that leg, straight back to this. This is where you want to get your breath back, get your stamina back. This is your rest time. Even though it's not a rest, this is where you want to recover, okay? Breathe in deep. The next thing we're gonna do is called a split jump. Again, advanced is doing 20, intermediate is doing 15, and beginners, you're gonna do 10, but you're gonna do 10 a different way. So this is what a split jump looks like, right here. Okay, none of this. It's not bending the back, it's bending the knees, okay? If you're a beginner, I want you just to step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, okay? That's on the beginner. Advanced, intermediate, you're right here, okay? So 1 minute has passed, right in split jumps, 20. 20 of those and go back to the running. We got one more thing. Finish your minute up, recover, then we're going to up downs. These are my favorite. Works the whole body. These workouts will also get your muscles fatigued, okay? Because though we're doing cardio, we're still gonna get a little workout in, okay? And this is where the up downs come in. So 1 minute's passed. This is what an up down looks like, okay? Step, drop to your knee, drop to both knees, come to your hands, push up, back, the same way you got down, you get up. Step, up, back. I don't want to see none of this. No rolling on the knees, no falling down, and no rolling back up like that. None of that, okay? So it's a step, drop, come down. Now, beginners, you're gonna do all this. If it's too hard for you to drop like that, if you're really obese or you're overweight, you wanna grab some sort of chair right here, you're gonna use the chair to help you go down. Actually, wrong leg. Chair to help you go down, you'll go down. You don't have to do a push-up, okay? You just go down and kind of walk your way up like that. Chair, up, okay? Intermediate, you do a regular up, down. Advanced, I want you to do 2 push-ups. So, hand, here. That's 1. 20 reps For intermediate, 15 reps, or 20 reps for everybody. But the advanced has got 2 push-ups, intermediate's got 1 push-up, and the beginners are gonna use the chair, go down, and no push-up. You're just gonna lay all the way down and get up. Now, if you're too advanced for the chair, beginners, take the chair out and just do the up-down and just lay down and work your way up, okay? You're gonna do that 20 times, everybody. After that, you get a little break. Get some water, take a minute and 30 seconds of break. Now, beginners, I want you to do this 3 times. Intermediate, or 2 times. Intermediate, I want you to do it 3 times. Advanced, 4 times, okay? You got me? Beginners 2 times, intermediate 3 times, advanced 4 times. Now, if you want to push yourself, beginners, do 3 times. I recommend at least pushing yourself to get 3 times. If you can't do all the reps at the beginner stages, go ahead and drop the reps, okay? Or maybe you can't do it, maybe you're just too tired. Do 1 more round of just 5 minutes of running in place, okay? Okay, after that, we got 1 more thing to do. We just fat blasted, our stomachs are empty. We got a good sweat going on, we gotta hit abs. Okay, so we're moving on to abs. Now, like I said, this is a workout for everybody. And generally, when it comes to overweight people with a lot of fat, the visceral fat, we don't like to do crunches and stuff because we're just gonna push the fat to the wall. So, what we're gonna do an ab to strengthen your core, okay? So we're gonna do a plank, and we're gonna do a left to right. Now, for the advanced people, the left to right can almost be considered like a crunch. So we're gonna start with those first. For those intermediate and advanced, this is how you're gonna do the left to right. It's right arm to left leg. So bend this leg so your lower back stays on the ground. This arm you can put to the side. You're gonna lift, and make sure you blow out on the way up. 20 reps each side. 20 reps. After you do your 20, you're gonna roll over and do planks. But first, we're gonna show you how the beginners should do this, okay? Beginners, go ahead and lay your head down. All you're gonna do is raise your legs and raise your head. That's it. Don't do none of this. Right here. 20 times, you're gonna switch. Okay? Now we're all gonna roll over and do planks. Advanced and beginners. Okay, let me rephrase that. Advanced, you're gonna do a minute. Beginners, you're gonna do 45 seconds, okay? So you guys are both gonna be on your elbows, like so. Your core is tight, your butt is in, not too high, also not dip too low, right in that sweet spot. You should feel your abs engage instantly. Squeeze the abs. This is an ab workout, so squeeze the abs. Beginners or intermediate, you got 45 seconds. Advanced, you got 60 seconds. Now beginners, you're gonna do 30 seconds, and instead of going on your forearms, you're gonna go in a push-up stance, like so. And you're gonna hold this for 30 seconds. I want you to focus on squeezing your stomach, squeezing your abs. 30 seconds. And then you be down. Now we're gonna do that 3 times. 3 rounds for beginners, 4 rounds for intermediate and advanced. Tell me you ain't sweating right now. Tell me you not sweating. Tell me it's not a good workout. We just got crazy good fat blasting workout. Abs in here with nothing but a mat at home. It don't get no better than this. We don't need a gym to get in shape. We're doing it over here at FitHawk TV for free with no equipment. Minimal equipment. Sometimes a little bit of equipment, but you know what I'm saying. Yo, don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this video. Quick recap, we did right here, non-stop. We running. 1 minute. After 1 minute, we're doing jumping jacks. Then after the jumping jacks, we do 1 minute. 1 minute. Then we're doing knee busts. Switch leg. Then we do 1 minute. Let me just split this. Stop. 1 minute. 1 minute. Then we get. Then after that, we did that 4 times, 3 times, and then we went. You feel me? That was the workout right there. So If you like it, make sure you like it. Leave me a comment how you like the workout. Other than that, Spit Out TV, man. I'm out of breath, but I'm done, so I'm out.